What is up, everybody? Happy Tuesday, or by the time I post this, it will probably be Wednesday, and if I don't post on Wednesday, then I don't know what to tell you, but you get the point. Today, I'm going on another road trip to look at a transmission for, wow, the 2JZ. I have some road trip snackies. I'm hyped. It's not as exciting as an engine, though. It's like, we're driving to Columbus, Georgia, so it's what, like an hour and a half?
Hour 45.
Hour 45. Not bad. This was a transmission that was highly recommended to me by everybody in the world. I don't really know what I'm looking at when I look at transmissions, but at least if it's cracked or something, we'll know, you know? But everything else is internal, so it's kind of like playing the lottery.
You're right.
All right, let's do it.
Slow down on I-85 south in 5 miles.
Of course there is, yeah. Welcome to Atlanta.
Garrett is making beats again.
But they
Doesn't sweat.
Aaron,
What?
you know I always keep that MF thing.
Oh my god.
That MF thing.
Oh my god. I thought you actually wanted something.
We have fuel for the car, and now we have fuel for us. So let us get it. The more game. Yeah, yee boy.
That man was looking at you like.
Old guy made me really awkward.
He was looking at you like, what?
Probably like, children.
Fucking millennials.
Children. Okay, well, let's get it. Gang, 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 gang. Ah! My whole thumb is wet. That's what he said. Cheers. We're 1 minute away. Gang, gang, squad. Okay. Wow, a true car person lives here. My man's got to set up in a tent. We're here. We got a little stancy boy going on, you know what I'm saying? Okay. 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 This is actually a stancy girl, not a stancy boy. Grr, stancy girl, stancy girl.
Hey, girlie.
Okay.
Hi.
Truck gang, truck gang. Is it diesel?
It is a diesel. I can turn it on.
Okay, this is Eric. Say hi, Eric.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Barely.
Barely.
Okay.
That's nice.
We love that. You hear that?
Dude, I does hear that.
Boy, are we buying a truck?
What?
Can we buy a truck?
We are buying a truck.
I want a truck. What do we have?
CD009, yes.
You say it so proper, 009. I didn't even know there were 2 O's at first. I was just saying CD09, and Aaron was like,
Oh.
just so you know, there's 2 O's. And I was like,
00.
shit.
009.
It's a transmission. This isn't as exciting as a motor. It's just like a big ass tunnel, bro. What is that?
This is a 2JZ, 1JZ bell housing.
Oh,
The IS300 has
Yeah.
a 2J in it.
yeah.
I was gonna use it, but I think I'm gonna build it for shows first. After that, I'll do like the turbo stuff.
I'm trying to do like both.
At
I'm trying to
once,
like turbo and bags at the same time, you know, like,
It sucks.
oh.
I did everything at once, and then the car messed up.
Thanks for the words of encouragement, bro.
Oh, do what you gotta do, you know?
I'm
like
flexible.
to the ground, bruh.
I'm flexible, so like, Aaron, this isn't exciting.
It's not exciting?
No, look at it. It's just like a big piece of metal.
This thing holds 2,000 horsepower, girl.
This is like one of the most recommended trans for the 2J though. What is that? That's where the shifter goes?
Yeah.
Liar!
Yeah, you got O2, right?
Imposter.
So,
it's not a CD09.
Neutral.
Yeah, I was say. Is there any
No
gear that you
shifty
couldn't get it
thing.
into?
I was able to get in all. Well, I couldn't test reverse, obviously.
Pick it up by myself. Let me see. Hey, okay. Give me that. Oh, bent over rows? Okay.
Got you hurt tomorrow.
I don't know that I can do this, guys.
You got it.
I feel like it's too wide.
1, 2.
Oh, no. It's too wide. That's
Too wide?
I don't have like that
Yeah.
strength that way. I need like
Yeah, he's
center
long.
of-
So. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, this is way lighter than the block.
Leaf pile. You pop the trunk? Ooh. Dang, look, she was ready to run out of gas.
She was
My
ready.
handsies. Bend with your
Yeah, I was about to say, do we need to...
twerk that ass. Bend with your legs. Yes, boys. Okay. Yeah, light, honestly. Ooh, I hope it fits. Oh, nice.
Just barely.
You see, I still have the bag in here from when I picked up my block. Aw, it's all tucked in. Sorry, I just walked right in front of the light. It's all tucked in.
you with the light.
Nice and safe.
Feels like a good.
Mwah. Neat.
Are you a cashier?
Got the cash monies. This Jesus light out here, bro.
Yeah, almost. I got you.
Okay,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
that's too high.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. That's
I'm
good.
kind of dark.
Okay, so Eric, like I said, I'm gonna drop his @ He hooked me up with a CD
Yeah.
009.
009.
The trans, I'm gonna be hooking up with my 2JZ GTE VVTi.
Oh.
This trans was hella like the most recommended trans, like
2,000
period. Yeah, I don't know anything about it. I kind of only wanted 5 gears though. I don't know if that makes me lame, but like,
keep the 6. Yeah.
but my Z has 5 and it makes my heart happy. So
Yeah.
anyway, that's pretty much all I got. Shout out to Eric for hooking me up because low key these transmissions aren't that easy to find.
Or cheap.
Yeah, gang gang, that's it. I don't know what else to say. That's all I got. Peace out, guys. Be sure to like this video, comment below, and subscribe. And next week, well, no, not next week. In like 2 days, I'm gonna be taking my head apart and tearing that down to send off to get decked and cleaned. And that's all. Okay, bye. They don't like bite or anything?
Yeah, they will. Only when they're in a playful mood. Only when they're in the
She's like, hold up, let me tell you the truth really quick. They will bite you.
when they're in a playful mood. They will.
You're not in a playful mood, huh? Your eyes are the tiniest little thing I've ever seen in my whole life.